Hello, Gary Kovach here. I'm here today to tell you about the first truly global opportunity I have seen. But first, let me tell you a little bit about my background. I was born and raised here in Cleveland, Ohio. I served in the United States Army during Vietnam. I worked in the healthcare field as a home care aide for hospice. I want to tell you a little bit about this global opportunity. If you want to create more cash flow and at the same time help people live a better quality of life, you'll want to listen very closely to this opportunity. The company is called FGXpress. FGXpress is in 120 countries and counting, making it a global company. The only product FGXpress has is called FGXpress Power Strips. Now, these are all natural pain relief strips. They are topically applied, and they are listed by the FDA as a Class 1 medical device. The ingredients in these power strips are germanium, ionic silver, red Korean ginseng, and marine phytoplankton. Now, marine phytoplankton has been called nature's perfect food, as they nourish every cell in the body. I had been suffering for a number of years with peripheral neuropathy, and what that is basically is numbness and tingling in the feet. It would keep me up at night. If my feet would brush against the covers, I would wake up with shooting pains. I had tried everything I could think of to help get relief from this. The doctors had me on 9 capsules, 300 milligrams each, of the pain pills for the neuropathy. I was introduced to these power strips by a good friend of mine and business partner, Tammy Butler, from North Carolina. Now, I was a little bit skeptical at first when I saw these power strips. Basically, what could this little piece of paper do for me? But I'm glad, so glad, that Tammy convinced me to try these. They have been a godsend. I am sleeping through the night with no pain. I'm waking up refreshed and ready for the day in the morning. They have been a blessing. They also help the pain in my back. Now, there are 3 short videos on our website that I'd like you to watch, and that website is rocketfuelteam.net. You'll see the link up in the corner of your screen. And what I'd like you to do is, once you watch these 3 short videos, get back to me either at powerstripsforpain@gmail.com or on my Skype, which is Gary, Gary, dot Kovach and the number 2, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. I hope you take the time to really look at this opportunity. It is truly a global company. It is going to help a lot of people, and I really believe in 18 to 24 months FGXpress is going to be a household name. Now, if you're ready to change your life as well as the lives of others, please contact me on Skype and let's get you started today. Now, I want to leave you with one final thought for the day, and that is this. There are 2 rules in life. Rule number 1, never ever quit. And rule number 2, never ever forget rule number 1. I want to thank you all for your time today. I hope you enjoyed this short video. God bless and have a great day.